Okay guys, today I'm playing Shockbite. From last time I couldn't play Roblox, something happened. Check the last video, we had to play Gun Mayhem 2. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Playing Shockbite now. Like I promised in the last episode. Okay. Okay. Well, people with Robux. Click the how. Okay, so I'll get okay, guys. This is boring, so okay, no, I'm gonna sorry guys. Okay, I had to delete it because it's boring.
Right, you check how was the most popular. Look at it's disgusting. So much. Maybe I can't just you
Okay guys, I'll just there. Okay guys, I'll just play Lucky Block. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Thanks. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Hey, guys. Okay, guys. That was fun. She's an idiot. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Slash E dance. So basically do a slash E and then type on and then you can dance. And there's another one called slash E chair. If you don't know, there's a chair in slash E dance. So you can just do that. Just in case if you don't know, guys. Just in case if you don't know, there. Now you know. Now you told. Okay. Okay, guys, I killed someone. Now let's go back. Okay. Okay.
I'll put this chairman light by the
Okay. Okay, guys, be back. I can do my. Okay, guys. Okay. Guys, another weapon. Ooh, this one's fun. Well,
Alright, coat, please. Go get your coat.
okay.